Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart at the ES, and the thing that stands out for me is the very clear bounce off of the middle band on the continuation chart. So we traded as high as 35 in the overnight, and what we're seeing now is you're seeing middle band go support. You're seeing, yesterday it wasn't even threatened during the regular session. We spent no time back testing it. I think we got as low as the 23s, so 4 handles above, and we've traded as much as 16 handles above in tonight's overnight. The key area for me is 1931 to 1932. We just dipped below that area. That is kind of a bull-bear line for me. If the bulls can stay above that area, I would expect to see the traditional walk up into tomorrow's 2 p.m. Fed announcement. If the bears can get back below, they need to get below and go back down and test the middle band, which is sitting at about 2263. The bears only get one more chance to test the middle band, unless there's some shocker out of the Fed tomorrow. If they go back down and test 2263 and it holds, then you have very clearly established support at the middle band. And if the Fed is on board with saying something, bullish tomorrow, then that would be the end of the pullback. And we would go back up and retest 54. So I walked out of yesterday with a much more bullish bent than a bearish one, simply because when you see candles like this, when you see something like this stick on a chart, we ride the upper band. We pull back from 54 down to 19, test the middle band, and bounce. Unless the bears are going to put in a pronounced lower high, and maybe the Fed will help with that tomorrow. It's all about the Fed. It's all about the Fed now. Tomorrow at 2 o'clock. So I'm not expecting a giant range day today unless we get some news out of Iraq or something else unexpected happens. I think we'll just get the general, walk up into the number. So I'm, I've got. It was a nice two-sided day yesterday. We were short, long, and then we were short. Now we're long again. And, my intention is to hold that the majority of the day if we're going to go ahead and do the walk up into tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll tell the story. But watch 31.32. On the upside, you got the 9-day coming in at 39. A close above 39 would really solidify the bulls as being back in control. A close below 22, and especially a close below 19, would demonstrate that yesterday was a little bit of a head fake, and that now we have to seriously take a look at a move down to the 50-day exponential moving average, which is the red line, which comes in about 1897. All right, everybody have a great trading day. Come and check us out on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.